Hi, Srinita and Rishit. We'll wait for another couple of minutes.
Okay.
Guys, I'll make you one of the hosts and you can admit people. Is it okay?
Yeah.
Yeah. Feel free to admit people, guys. Give me 1 minute, I'll join. I'm here only, but I'll just come on.
I guess it's blurry, right? Okay, we missed last week's class, right? What's going on at school, Dhruv? Yeah, am I audible? What's going on in school, Dhruv?
We're doing like y and the y equals kx, all those stuff.
Oh, y equal to kx and stuff. Okay, for Yojit, what's going on? I'm sorry, Yojit. Can you please repeat?
Arithmetic sequences right now.
Oh, so it's easy on you? Can I say that it's easy on you?
Yeah.
Okay, I see. How about Bhakti? What are you discussing in school?
In school we were doing, I think it was,
Uh-huh.
I don't exactly remember. Can I quickly come back?
Yeah, no problem. Rania, how about you, ma?
We are doing slope.
Slope, okay. Yeah, did you say Rishit for you? For you, I'm sure they would
For
lining.
us, we're doing like slope related stuff. So first we learned the three different forms of like equations, like standard, and then afterwards, we plugged it into an equation, and then we're doing parallel and perpendicular of that.
Okay, parallel and okay. Okay, so let's move on then. Move on to that. Reshma, okay. Okay. Any questions on the homework? We did one part, right? So any questions on that?
You mean
Not really.
Miss Priya, can you review like the last section, like just one of the problems?
Absolutely, ma. Meaning, okay. For today, what is my plan? I'll say, I want to finish all the 3-line equations, do word problems, be thorough with this, and move on to parallel perpendicular lines. Let's see. How about this is G2 one? No, this is not G2, algebra 1. Okay. Yeah, I can. Only the slope intercept form we covered, right, as a part of our class. So I will continue with that, but at the same time, let's see. Yeah, Ma, tell me which one do you want me to review?
Just like the last section.
Yes, absolutely. Anything we'll review. Okay, I'll go to the other two types as well. Only the slope intercept form we covered last week. So I'll go to point slope form as well as point slope form. We did see what it was, but I will go over it again. And I'll also cover the standard form, then do word problems, skill based problems. Okay, that is the plan for today. Go ahead. Which one, Ma? Which, this one?
Like question 41.
Question 41. Ah, okay.
Oh, well,
Yeah, go ahead.
I
Ma.
learned this in school, so now I know how to do it, but
Okay, okay.
never.
So basically, when a line passes through these 2 points, right, you can easily find the slope. How do you find the slope? Change in y. See, I start here. So change in y, subtract 0 and then 5 minus 0. So this will be minus 6 by 5 slope. And then any point you can take. 2 comma 0 will be the point I take. So I can write this in slope intercept form, right? Y equal to mx plus b. X and y are points, right? So I'll substitute 0 and 2 here and then minus 6 by 5. But again, it's 0. So my intercept is 2. My intercept is 2. I substitute back in this equation minus 6 by 5x plus 2. That's it now. Does it make sense? Any other questions? Okay, this being the case, right? Can you go ahead and, Yama?
Can we go over, question number 39?
39. I'm glad you guys are doing and asking. Ah, good one. That was a little difficult one, right? Okay, consider these two lines, guys. What is the slope of this line? What is the slope of this line?
Undefined.
Defined.
Which one is undefined, Ma?
The one on the right.
Yes, because y, change in y by change in x, right? Change in y is too much. It's infinity because at one point itself, the change in y is too much. Whereas change in x, right? There's no change in x, there's no run. So it's 0. Okay, in mathematics, whenever you end up with a division, when the denominator is a 0 in a division, then that operation you can call it as undefined in mathematics. Okay. Whereas slope of this is 0 because rise by run. Rise, there is no rise here. 0 by some number, let's say infinity. This is a nice operation which is valid. This operation itself is not valid because it's division by 0. So here the slope is 0, here the slope is undefined. Now let's move on. If the slope is undefined, it's going to be a vertical line. Slope being undefined, it's going to be a vertical line. There are two different, okay, this one. How do I write this equation? How do I write this equation? Who knows? Vertical lines, how do you write the equations? X equal to 1, x equal to 2, x equal to 3. Whereas horizontal lines, how do you write their equations? Y equal to 1, y equal to 2. You know why? For all x points, whatever x point you consider, y value is 1. Whatever x point you consider, y value equal to 2. Here, whatever y value you take, let's say y 1, 2, 3, 4, whatever y value you take, x is the same value. So, vertical lines always have the form x equal to 1, horizontal x equal to some number. Horizontal lines always have the equation y equal to something. Now, when the slope is undefined, we know it's going to be a vertical line, right? And a point it passes through is 1, comma 2. So it's going to be a vertical line. What is the equation of this? You tell me. What is the equation of that? One of you. It's a vertical line. So it is of the format x equal to what?
Undefined.
X equals to 1.
1, because it passes through. You see 1, comma 2. It passes through 1, comma 2. Seema, for this vertical line, the x value is going to be the same. What is the x value? X value is always going to be 1. You see. If you have a horizontal line, The y value is going to be the same. X value may be different. Don't worry. X value, be it any X value, Y value will be the same for a horizontal line. For a vertical line, X value is going to remain constant. That's what you're going to say it is a line. So here, it is going to be a vertical line. So just look at the X value. That is equal to 1. So this is the equation of the line. Now let's see this one. Slope 0. Line passes minus 5 comma 6. What is the equation of that line? Can you send it in chat? I really want you guys to understand this very well before we move on. Can you try?
Miss Priya,
Yeah, ma'am.
I'm gonna leave and rejoin for like 1 second. I just need to fix
Sure,
some
Abhira.
audio.
No problem. Vinisha, Akshada, no videos? Vinisha has the video. Akshada, no video? See, slope equal to 0 means what type of a line it is? Horizontal or vertical?
Horizontal.
Horizontal. So horizontal lines will vary on their level, right? See, when I draw, let me be very clear with this, okay? Because this is a part of parallel perpendicular lines as well. See, if I draw a horizontal line, do you see their levels vary? When the levels vary, what value changes? Y value changes, right? So the equation has to be y equal to 1, y equal to 2, y equal to 3. The level changes. Do you see? Then the y-axis, the level changes. If it is a horizontal, if it is a vertical line, what changes? X equal to 1, x equal to 2, x equal to 3. You see? That changes. Y value always, see here, be it any y value, the x is the same. So we denote vertical lines by x equal to. We denote horizontal lines by y equal to. Now, in this case, the slope is 0. That means we are going to pick a horizontal line. Horizontal lines have y equal to only. So just see the y value and say y equal to 6 is the equation of that line. Think about a line with slope 0. Think about a line with slope 0. The line passes through minus 5. Minus 5 is where? Let's say the minus 5 is in here. Minus 5 comma 6. Somewhere here. The line passes through this and it is a vertical line. So what should be the... It's a horizontal line. I'm sorry. We are talking about horizontal lines. It's a horizontal line. So what will be the equation of this? This is minus 5, this is 6. What will be the equation of this? Horizontal lines have y equal to whatever the level is. Nabiha, am I clear?
Yeah.
Now let's say I have slope of a line undefined. Okay. Line passes through 5 comma minus 7. What is the equation of the line? Correct, Dhruv. Correct, Rishit. Correct, Rania. Srinita, correct. But do you all understand and are you doing, guys? Okay. Akshada, correct. Others, go ahead, guys. Krishu, what is the answer, ma? Please don't make me pick. Bhakti, bottom, ma. Where are you confused? You tell me. Slope is undefined means you cannot substitute 0, Bhakti. I'll work with you, Bhakti. Nabiha, correct. So what will you do? Slope is undefined, meaning slope is 0 or undefined. The equation has to be either x equal to or y equal to. That's all. X equal to a number, y equal to a number. Why? Because they are special lines, vertical or horizontal lines. You get it? Bhakti, how can I help you? I didn't get answers from Adira, Krishiv. What is going on? You
I-
have to let me know if you understood or not. Otherwise, I'm going to go through with you. Vinisha. I am waiting for your answers. Bhakti, good job. Did you get it now, Bhakti?
Yeah, I didn't know. I forgot it was supposed to be like x equal to or y.
Yeah, remember, when the slope is undefined or 0, they are special. You have to treat them special. Adira, correct, ma. Vinisha, can I get your answer? If you didn't understand, I'm okay. You tell me. Vinisha and who else? Somebody else, I thought. Vinisha and Krisha, where are the answers?
I sent mine, sir.
Oh, you sent. Okay, I'm sorry then. Krisha, honestly, I didn't get you. Vinisha got.
No, he sent it to me.
Oh, you know what? That is the problem if I have a co-host.
Mom, you should be sending it to everyone.
Yeah. Should I
Yeah, I
take
just saw that.
Shall I take it out, Rishit, if it's okay?
I just saw
Yeah,
that.
I'll just take it out. Is it okay, Rishit and Srinita? I'll just take it out to avoid
That's
confusion.
okay, it's okay, it's okay.
Thank you. Okay, now it's easier. Okay. 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 Why? Oh, okay. Krishiv, see here, Krishiv. Okay. Think of this, Krishiv. I think that's incorrect, but I'll help. See, this slope is undefined means it has to be a vertical line, right? The line passes through 5 comma minus 7. Where is 5 comma minus 7? 5 comma minus 7 is here. Do you see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The line passes through this point and it is a vertical line. What will be the equation of this? The equation of this will not be in the format like this. Because the slope is undefined, you will always, it is a vertical line, right? So it has to be x equal to whatever the x value of this is a point 5 comma minus 7. When you think about it, all points on the line pass through x equal to 5. There is no other value for x. So the equation of the line is x equal to 5. Krishiv, did you get it?
Yeah.
Okay, now let's say, I'm going to put it in different words. Let me see. Okay, line passes through minus 5 comma minus 10. Okay, now the line is parallel to y-axis. What is the equation of the line? However they ask, we should be able to answer if we understand. Careful, Dhruv. Draw and see, then you'll get it. Draw the line and see. That's better. Dhruv and Yojit, correct. Yojit Dhruv. Yojit got it. Dhruv got it. Yojit, is that right? Dhruv, correct. Yojit, you corrected it. Good job.
Oh no, that
Rish-
was the answer to my before question. I
Srinita.
accidentally sent it
Wait,
to
do you want
Srini.
us to write the formula or just the point?
No, I just want the equation of the line.
Okay.
Equation of the line. I just twisted the question a little bit for you guys to think and write. Equation of the line is what I want. Srinita, correct. Akshada, did you draw, ma? Can you show me the line? I want to see what drawing you have. Akshada, would you mind showing me the drawing? I am helping you. It's not with any other intent. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Akshada, go ahead, ma. Good. Good. Line is parallel. Akshada, don't erase. Please go ahead and do. Okay, Rishit, again think Rishit. Vinisha, think. So which is the line, ma? Which is the line, Akshada? Akshada is drawing it on the board. So this is 0, comma 0, right, Akshada? So this is minus 10, right, Akshada? Minus 5, okay, minus 5. And then the line passes through. This is, let's say, minus 10 on the y-axis. This point is minus 5, comma minus 10. Rishit, good job correcting it. Krishiv, correct. So see, guys, when you draw, you'll get it. Bhakti, is that correct? Think about it. Adira, correct. Rishit, good job correcting it. Bhakti, what should be? See, the line for which we are writing the equation is this one, right, Bhakti? How should the equation of this line be? X equal to or Y equal to, ma? Shout out. Nabiha, I didn't get your answer, right?
X equals.
I sent in my answer. You just didn't check if it was right or wrong.
Sorry, ma. Yes, you sent it. I didn't see. Srinita, correct. Nabiha, correct. Bhakti, you got it. Vinisha, I didn't get it. Rania, I didn't get it. Ma, please don't keep quiet in the class. If you didn't understand, you didn't understand. That's accepted. But I just want to know that you didn't understand. That's all. Krishiv, did you send?
Yeah, you said I got it right.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Rania, if it is a vertical line, right? Do you see, ma, this vertical line? What value of it remains constant? X or Y remains constant for that line, Rania? Let's say different points on the line. What value remains constant? This is
X.
1. X remains constant. So you have to write the equation as x equal to minus 5. Whatever point is given, pick the x value. Make sense, Rania?
Yes.
Okay, how about this? I'm also covering another topic through this, which I'm happy about. Let's see. Line. I want the equation of the line. Okay. Line passes minus 1, comma minus 5. Line is perpendicular to y-axis. Please draw, guys. These lines, these questions are very easy, but please draw. When you draw, you will never make mistakes. Even, meaning, if I do the problem without drawing, I will make a mistake. I'm prone to make a mistake at least.
Why is it perpendicular?
Yeah, yeah. The symbol is this. Sorry, I did not talk to you about it. Perpendicular, see. Oh, you're still confused, Vinisha. Can I help you?
Yeah.
Yeah, sure. 1 minute, ma. Let me check. Many of them are sending answers. I'll work with you. Wait, Vinisha. Perpendicular to y-axis. No, perpendicular to y-axis. I gave it off my brain. Perpendicular to y-axis. No, it will be. Adira correct. Dhruv correct. Rishit Bhakti, did you draw? Yojit correct.
Wait, am I correct?
Srinita correct. Nabiha correct. Yeah, who, ma?
Am I correct?
Rishit and Bhakti, you have to think about it. Can I help you draw? Please draw. Vinisha, can you draw the line on the board, ma? Vinisha or Akshada, can you draw the line on the board? It really helps me. Okay, guys. Akshada, would you help me draw, ma? Nobody is drawing. I really want you to draw. Would you mind? On the board?
I'll do it.
Yeah, please. One of you, anyone.
Okay. You do it.
Yeah, she's doing, yeah. Hey guys, at the end of it, we are working for you all to understand. So don't feel shy or anything. It's you who should understand and go do work at school properly. Okay, so the blue line is the line, Amma. So this is -1, this is 0, 1, 2, 3. Thank you, Akshada. 1, 2, 3. Now I'm talking about a line that passes through -1, -5. I'm saying my line is perpendicular to y-axis. Perpendicular to y-axis, this is my y-axis, right? When the line is perpendicular to y-axis means my intended line is blue. That's the color she has chosen. So my intended line is blue. This is my line. You see, the equation of this line will be of the format x equal to or y equal to. Krishiv, you tell me. The blue line, the equation will be of the format x equal to or y equal to, Krishiv.
Y equal to?
Y equal to. So when y equal to means you will have to pick up the y point. Y equal to -5. Vinisha, Bhakti, did you understand?
Yeah,
Wait,
I
Miss
understand.
Priya, my answer was not y equal to.
Yeah, that's why I'm saying. Did you understand now?
Wait, but isn't it perpendicular to the y-axis? I'm a bit. Oh, okay.
Yeah. The line is perpendicular to the y-axis. It is, right? Perpendicular to
Yeah,
the y.
yeah. Okay, now I understand.
This line is of the format y equal to because the levels.
Oh.
You get it?
Yeah.
Now let's try this one. Meaning, see, this is completely another topic. It was not a part of line equations at all, but I feel like we'll finish this because we just went into it a lot. So I want to finish this. Hold on. Where is my notes? Give me 1 minute, guys. We will cover this in depth, okay? And then I'll move back to line equations, I feel now. Let's see. Why my notes is not there? 1 minute, guys. What is going on? I got it. Let me share this. Okay. So here, let's try this one. Line. Okay. One another thing that I want to tell you. Okay. When a line is parallel, when lines are parallel, how will their slopes be? When lines are parallel, how will their slopes be?
They'll be the same.
Yeah, they will be the same. Do you see? Because their steepness. See, slope is just the steepness, right? How steep they are, right? So the extent of steepness for these two lines will exactly be the same. Slopes will be equal for parallel lines. Did you guys get that? Okay.
Yeah.
Now, when lines are perpendicular, what happens to those lines? Perpendicular lines. How will the slope be? Slope will be.
Then they're the exact opposite, including like numbers. For example, if it's like 5, it would be -1/5.
Good job. So now let's say line L and M. Okay. L slope is 3 by 2 means M slope, you know what will happen? Negative. First negate it. Minus 3 by 2. But minus 3 by 2 is incorrect. Reciprocal. First negate it and flip it. Negate it and flip it. Negate and flip. Minus 2 by 3 is the answer. Did you guys get it? So now we understood two different concepts. One is slope. In two cases, we understood. What is that? We understood for parallel lines, slopes are equal. For perpendicular lines, slopes are negated and flipped. Now, let's say there is one line like this. The slope of this is 3 by 2. Okay. This is line L. Line M is parallel. Line M is parallel to, let me put it in a different color. Line M is parallel to L. What will be the slope, Rania, of M? What will be the slope of M?
Negative 2 by 3.
Ma, parallel, ma. M is parallel. M
3
is
by 2.
3 by 2. Good job. The same slope. Okay. Now I'm talking about another line. I'm talking about a totally different line that is going to be perpendicular. I call it as T. What is the slope of T? Who can tell me the slope of T? Srinita, can you say?
Is it -2 or 3?
Yep, negate it and then flip it. Correct. Do you guys get it? Okay, now let me ask you. A line is parallel to line is parallel to another line with the equation y equal to half x plus 3. Okay. And passes through 4 comma minus 2. What is the equation of the line? What does it mean? I am talking about a line. This line is parallel to another line with equation. So basically, I'll call my line as line L. Okay. The other line with equation is M. Now, I want to find the equation of line L. Line L passes through 4 comma minus 2. Please, guys, I will draw. Okay. And my line is parallel to this one, half x plus 3. Half x plus 3 means it will be something like this. Passes through half x plus 3. Intercept is 3, see. This is line M. That's my parallel line. The equation of this line is what I want, the red line. Because it passes through the given point 4 comma minus 2. And I want the equation of that line. To write out the equation of that line, let's say I want it in slope-intercept form. If I want it in slope-intercept form, what are the forms that I need? What are the properties that I need for the line? This is my line L. How to write out the equation of line L? Krishav, you tell me what are the things I need to write the equation of line L? I just have a point. What else you need? I want it in slope-intercept form. What are the properties that I need to write the equation of the line?
This slope,
Slope. I need the slope. What else I need?
y-intercept.
I need the y-intercept. Then only I can write.
Correct.
Yeah, that's right. Yes, I am watching. I'm watching the chat. So you need the slope and the y-intercept of the line. Ama, intercept I don't know, Rishit. Only when I do, I'll know. Okay. I need the slope as well as the y-intercept. But how to find? Slope finding is easy. I know the parallel line slope. See the parallel line slope? So the slope of my line is as well half. But I don't know the y-intercept of my line. So let me write the equation of the line L as half x plus b. But you know what? I know a point through which it passes. So 1 x comma y value I know, 4 comma minus 2. Can I plug that in here? Rania, are you with me?
Yes.
So intercept is 0. So plugging back, I can write the equation of the line as y equal to half x. Rishit, you got minus for all of you?
Yeah,
How did you? Wait, let me check.
because 1/2 times 4 is equal to 2.
Yes, b equal to 4. Correct. I go with you guys. B equal to minus 4. So minus 4. So you have the slope from the parallel line. You are finding the y-intercept. How? Substitute the slope in this. You have a point on the line x and y. Then you can find the intercept. Did you guys get it? Now, let me go ahead and ask you one more. A line, I'll do if you don't understand yet, okay? Passes through 5, 6 and is perpendicular to the line. Y will be equal to 2x plus 3. What is the equation of my line? Equation, I have covered only slope intercept form of the line in slope intercept form. Can we try this one?
Miss Priya, is that a 6 and 5?
5, 6. Sorry for being unclear. If you didn't understand, immediately message me. I'll go over it once more. So I'll give you one more. That helps a lot, please. It's perpendicular, ma. Okay, Adira. Now, is it making sense? See, perpendicular to another line means you can easily get the slope and find out the slope of my line. Yojit, did you negate it? Did you negate the
It
slope?
was a typo. I meant to
Okay. Oh, correct, Madhuru. So to write the equation of any line in slope intercept form, I need the slope, I need the intercept. Right? I don't know both. What I know only one x comma y point I know, that is 5, 6. But Nabiha, when I ask you for equation of a line, it has to have y and x in its equation. You see, Nabiha? It's not just plugging in numbers, right, Nabiha? So you have, okay, let me go over it once more. To find the equation of any line in slope intercept form, I need the slope and the intercept. Correct, Ma, Adira and Srinita. Now, I know a point that the line passes through 5, 6. 5, 6 is somewhere here, right? The line passes through this, but it also says it's perpendicular to some other line. This is that line, 2x. 2x plus 3 means this is the line. This is the perpendicular line. So my line, this is my line, the hardened line that passes through 5, 6 and it's perpendicular. So first, I need the slope of this line. How to find out the slope? I know the perpendicular slope. So negate and flip. 2 is 2 by 1, right? Negate and flip. Slope of the highlighted line is minus 1 by 2. What is the intercept of the line? We don't know. I need to find the y-intercept, right? So let me write down my line equation. Y will be equal to slope, I can substitute, plus b. You know what? Here, I don't know y, I don't know x, I don't know b. Intercept I need to find, right? But I know one value of x and y. That alone you substitute in here. When you substitute in here, it becomes 6 plus 5 by 2 equal to b. Now I know my intercept. 17 by 2, right? What I can do, I can plug that back into my equation. My equation is this, right? Y will be equal to minus half x. When you write the equation of line, you should have x and y as variables. But the b and all should not be there. You substitute 17 by 2. Rania and Nabiha, did you get it?
Yeah, I got it.
Yes,
Rania,
I got it.
Nisha,
I got it.
Krishan?
I got it.
Okay. So I'm saying a line is parallel to y equal to 5 by 3 x minus 3 and passes through 1 comma 2. Write the equation of the line. Write the equation of the line in slope intercept form. Try, guys. I'll help you if you don't get it. But please let me know that you didn't understand. It is important that you let me know. Right now, you have people to ask you, hey, do you understand? When you go to college, nobody's going to ask you. You're just going to give it off and go. If you don't understand, you have to go ask. Okay, I'll help you. There are people who didn't understand. So I'm going to go ahead and explain again. Okay. I'm going to draw this out. My line, I'll call it as L. This is parallel to some other line they have given. Okay, I'll call this M. But my line passes through 1 comma 2. My line should pass through this point. But how am I to draw this line? I just know one point, right? So, but there is something else given parallel to this. You see, let me draw that line M. Let me draw that line M. It makes so many things clear. What is this line M? 5 by 3x minus 3. Minus 3 is its intercept. 5 by 3 is a positive slope. So the line is like this. That is line M. Now, they are saying my line L, right, is parallel to the drawn line. This is my line. Nabiha, are you with me?
Yeah.
No, but I have to write the equation of line L. How to write what and all I want, Nabiha? For me to write in slope intercept form, what and all I want? What are the properties of the line I want? Can you tell me?
M and B.
Yeah, M and B, correct. How do you, 1 minute, guys, I'm not able to write. You have to give me 1 exact minute, okay? One second, guys. My writing pad's charge is over. Give me a minute. Okay. Yep, I'm good. Oh my God. Sorry about it. Okay, I'm ready. So, Nabiha, we need the slope and the intercept, right? 1 second, guys, sorry. I think I got it. Okay, great. Now, equation of the line L, I need the slope and intercept. Nabiha, you tell me what is the slope, ma? Slope of the line L is what?
-3.
Slope, ma. This is M, right?
Oh, sorry. 5/3.
5 over 3, correct. And I don't know the intercept. I can't take this as the intercept because they're parallel. We're never going to meet, right? So this intercept might not be the intercept of the line that I need. So I need to find that. So let me put down my general equation. Here, my problem is I have to find the intercept. For that, I need a x comma y that they have already given here. Do you see? 1 comma 2. Can I substitute 1 comma 2 and find out b? So 2 will be equal to 5 by 3 plus b. b will be equal to 2 minus 5 by 3, which is 6 minus 5 by 3, which is 1 by 3. So can I substitute this back into my equation? Y will be equal to 5 by 3x plus 1 by 3. That's the equation of my line.
Okay, I think I get it now.
Vinisha, did you get it?
Yeah, I got it.
How about Krishiv?
Yeah, I got it.
Rania?
I got it.
Both align. Whoever sent it, they all got it right, but there are people who didn't. Okay. I align is Adira, did you get ma? Adira? Yeah, Rishit, I think that's correct. But Rishit, I think it's right. Rania, just the intercept, can you check ma? Krishiv, can you as well check the intercept? Vinisha, can you as well check the intercept? Srinita, check the intercept. Dhruv, check the intercept. Akshada, I don't know which is right, guys. I'm going to do it on the board, okay? I really don't know which is correct. So I'm going to do it on the board. Many of you have gotten it now. So that makes me happy. But at the same time, a line, so the slope is -1/5. Slope of our line is -1/5. Point x comma y point is 5 comma 2. So the general equation is minus 1 by 5x plus b, right? So here I have the point. I'm going to substitute in. So b will be equal to 3. The intercept is 3. Okay, Yojit, Akshada and all got it. Okay. So y will be equal to
Yeah.
Yama.
My answer right?
If you got this, you got it right.
Okay.
Bhakti, the intercept, did you check Bhakti?
I got
Chris-
it
You
now.
did my math, I saw where I went wrong.
Yeah. You corrected it, I feel, Rishit. Krishiv, did you see the intercept? Rania, Vinisha, intercept ma. Adira, you're not answering as well. What's going on? Adira, unmute yourself. Let me see whether you're not able to answer. Illama, Vinisha, it's okay. See, it doesn't matter if you get it wrong, but did you understand? Did you get how to get 3?
Yeah, I got it.
Okay, Nabiha, how about you?
Yeah, I got it.
But I didn't get the answer from you. What does it mean?
Sorry, I was still working when you started solving
Oh,
it.
no. I want to know, Ma. If you need more time, I'll give you more time hereafter.
Okay, thank you.
Adira, are you able to talk now? No, why? I don't know. Okay. Okay, let's see this one. Okay. So now you all know, maybe one more question I'll give. Okay. Adira, but intercept you did not include. Did you see? Yeah. Okay, now a line is perpendicular to y-axis. This is perpendicular. Passes 1 comma minus 2. Write the equation of the line. I will give you time, Nabiha, this time. I really want to finish both the forms as well, guys, today. Let's see how much of it I can do. Go ahead. Would be nice if I can get all answers correctly. It's okay if you go wrong. Yojit, then why write the 0x? You don't have to, right? Nabiha, can you show me your drawing? Rania, can you draw and show me on the video? Can you draw that line and show me on the video? What are we intending? You want to show on the video or you're going to draw it on the board? Anything is okay with me. Okay, Rania, you tell me. I'll draw for you. You describe the line. Good job, Bhakti. Bhakti got it. Yojit got it. Krishiv got it. Akshada got it. Dhruv got it. Srinita got it. Yes, you can, Bhakti. Benisha, correct, ma. You don't need to put that 0x, that's all. Nabiha, Rania, can you help me, guys? I'll work with you girls. 1 comma minus 2 means what? This line passes through this. Perpendicular to y-axis means what? The line has to be like this. So it is of the format y equal to or x equal to, Nabiha? You muted me. Adira, this
Sorry, there was something wrong with my audio. It's x equals 2.
how much? It's like this, right? This is y equal to 0 line. This is x equal to 0 line always. So any vertical line will have this format. Any horizontal line will have this format. So it should be y equal to minus 2. Rania, am I clear?
Yeah.
Nabiha, are we clear?
Yeah.
Line is parallel to x-axis. Passes minus 2 comma minus 5.
Miss Priya, I
Yeah,
have
ma?
to,
You have to go?
yeah.
Okay, you go. Some of you are making mistake. It's okay. I will help. See whether you have made a mistake. Should I? I don't want to call out, but at the same time, I want to know who got wrong. It's okay. Parallel to x-axis means, is it a vertical line or a horizontal line? Parallel to x-axis means parallel to x-axis means
Horizontal.
then it should have the format what?
Y equals 2.
Oh, nice. Y equal to, yes. Rishit, Rojit, Bhakti, everybody got it right. Srinita, Dhruv, Rania, Nabiha. Adira, you tell me, ma, why did you pick the x coordinate, ma? X coordinate is minus 2, right? No, sorry. No. Okay, Adira, I think you got it right. Okay, Vinisha, can I get your answer? Vinisha? Hey, don't think I'm pulling you. It's not like that. Okay? At the end of
Sorry,
it-
I'm still solving it.
Okay. But is it hard, Amma?
No, I got it now.
What is the answer? Send it to me. You can shout out. It's a mental problem. Go ahead. Vinisha, just go ahead, Ma, please. Whatever you know, you tell it out. I'm going to explain. Go ahead.
Y is equal to negative 2x minus 5.
No, right, Ma. See, parallel to x-axis means it will be a vertical special line. Remember? So they will have the format x equal to or y equal to, right, Ma? No slope is here because slope is 0.
Oh,
So this is a special line means y equal to line. Y equal to what? Just pick this.
negative 5.
Yep. Okay. Now, we have always discussed the slope-intercept form. Correct, guys? Slope-intercept. We have discussed this. We know this already. Right? Now, I am going to give you a point-slope form. The other two are easy. Point-slope form means, what do I need to write the equation of the line in point-slope form? What do I need? I need a point and a slope. How will I do it? The equation is this. It should be in this format. M is the slope, x1, y1 are the point. That's the point. X and y is always there in the equation. Now here, if I say, I'll give you a problem and tell you. Slope of a line is, no. A line passes through 5, minus 5, minus 6, minus 1, minus 2. Minus 5, minus 6, minus 1, minus 2. Can you find the slope of this line first? I need the slope and a point, right? Point, I have 2 points. I can choose any one. But can you find the slope of this line and send it to me in chat? Find the slope of this line, send it to me in chat. Done?
Miss Priya, I'm a little confused.
Miss, can you do this one for us?
I will do, Ma. I'm just asking you to find the slope of the line. Dhruv, correct. Yojit, correct. I'm just asking you to find the slope of the line, nothing else. All of you, whoever answered got it, but others I'm waiting. Akshada, Rania, Nabiha.
I sent you my answer. Is it right?
Yeah, Rania. Yeah, Nabiha. Akshada, I don't know. I don't know if the answer is right, but I wanted the equation of the line in point slope form. Vinisha, the slope is incorrect now. Equation of line in point slope form is what I want. It's a new one. I did not teach you it. Point slope form is this one now. Akshada, looks like the equation that you gave is correct, Akshada. Equation of the line itself is correct, but that is in slope intercept form you gave me. Okay, we'll see how to write in point slope form. Now, slope is what? minus 6 minus minus 2, minus 5 minus minus 1. That would be minus 6 plus 2 minus 5 plus 1. Minus 4 by minus 4, 1. I got the slope. I know what to substitute here. X will always be there in the equation. Don't worry about it. This is a point, right? You can either choose this or this. Both are right. You will have two different answers. So I'll write my equation as 1. 1 doesn't make any sense here. So 1 times x minus x1. What is x will be there? x1 you need to substitute. x1 is any point. You can choose either this or this. I will choose this point, okay? X minus of minus 1 becomes plus 1. Will be equal to, y will be there in the equation. Minus of minus 2 becomes plus 2. So the equation of the line is x plus 1 equal to y plus 2. That's all. This is in slope, point slope form. Rishit, your answer is as well correct. Rishit's answer was x plus 5 equal to y plus 6. That is also correct because he chose this point. Did you guys get it? Is it head spinning or easy? Let's see. A line has its equation. Y will be equal to 2x plus 3. Can you write this in slope? No. Can you write this in point slope form? If it passes through minus 1 comma minus 2. Quick guess. Should be easy. I will tell you both the equation I'll give you. This is slope intercept form. You need slope and intercept. Right? Point slope form is here. Your equation should always contain the x and the y, final equation. But you should not have b and all. B, m, x1, y1, all this need to be removed. Yes, ma, sure. Here is it. You're confused, Bhakti? Okay. No problem. It should include slope. See, slope is there, Bhakti. Copy the slope here. Copy the point here. Just plug in the point here. That's all. That is right, Vinisha. That's right, Bhakti. You got it. Srinita, you got it. Vinisha, you got it. Akshada, you got it. Yojit, you got it. Others? I think Rishit got a hang of it already. Nabiha, did you get ma?
I'm sending mine in. Hold on.
Sure. Just keep me posted, okay? Maybe I am rushing you. You should tell me. Ranya, why didn't you include the slope, ma? Ayyo, Akshada, the slope. Akshada, that seems incorrect, Akshada. You forgot to add parentheses, I feel. Nabiha, I'm waiting for you. Laranya also did not include the slope, right? No. See, guys, this is the point slope form, right? What is the slope? this is the slope, right? So plug it in here. Rania, the slope was 2, ma.
Miss Priya, I sent in my answer. Is it correct?
Correct. So x will be there in the equation, but x1 and y1 are points, right? So this becomes +1 equal to y plus 2. Rania, did I make sense? There was a minor change in your answer. Did you get it?
Yes.
Okay, good. Okay. Now you are well aware of, okay, a line passes through 1, 2 and -1, -5. Write its equation in point slope form. Can we do this? Something feels wrong in either Yojit or Dhruv's answer. Everybody's Dhruv, that's right, but Yojit, Srinitha, and Akshada. There's a minor problem, guys. I don't know. Wait. I think it's right. Wait. I think it's right. Wait. I'm checking, ma. Please give me time. Dhruv, your answer seems incorrect to me. Yeah, Yojit, Srinitha, I think you guys got it. Akshada got it. Nabiha got it. Rania used the point. Oh, yeah, that's correct. Bhakti, Vaima. Bhakti, the slope. Are you correcting it, Bhakti?
Yeah, I made a typo back.
Okay, no problem. You can retype it. I'll wait.
I did.
Vinisha, slope is negative.
Miss Priya, I
Yes.
fixed the answer.
You fixed it. Can you send it to me, Dhruv?
Yeah, I did.
You did, you didn't. Oh, yeah, you did. I'm sorry. Correct.
I also won this lesson.
Ma 11:15, ma, please. Just for today, I had request. I'm sorry, 10:15. Is it okay, Dhruv?
Yeah.
Yeah, because I just want to make it up somehow. That way I finish. See, the two forms, the other class I've done both. So I really need to be on par is what I'm seeing. Okay, so here there was 1 or 2 issues. So this is going to be, first I will find the slope. I need slope. Point slope form means I want both. Point I have enough. I can either use 1, 2 point I have, but slope I need to find out. So -5 -2 divide by -1 -1. So -7 by -2, which is 7 by 2. Slope, point slope form, the equation is this. I'm going to substitute in here. 7 by 2 x minus 1 equal to y minus 2. This is one answer. If you take the other point, the answer will be x plus 1 y plus 5. Any questions? Yep. Vinisha, the slope is positive, ma. Make sense, ma?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, guys, finally, the standard form is pretty easy one. You just need to convert. Okay, standard form is not much at all. Standard form is ax plus by equal to c. These are all integers. These are all integers. Okay, so now when you want the standard form, x and y should be on one side, the constant should be on the other side. Suppose this is the equation of a line. Okay, write in standard form. How will you write in standard form? Write in standard form means constant alone should be on one side, everything should be integers. The numbers, the coefficient should be integers. So what will I do? There's a fraction, right? Multiply the entire equation by 2. When you multiply this by 2, right, this goes off, this term. And then when you multiply this by 2, this becomes 6. So 2y equal to x plus 6. But then subtract x, 2y minus x equal to 6. You can write this equation as minus x plus 2y equal to 6, where I adhere to this format. A is minus 1, B is 2, C is 6. Any questions, guys? Putting in standard form is very easy. That's why I dealt with it last.
Wait, Miss
Suppose-
Priya, I have a question.
Go.
We were learning about this in school, and they said that A has to be positive.
A has to be, okay, see that, okay. Okay, let me go with that. See, different groups have, what I have seen with standard form is some of them do not even want integers, I'm saying. Okay, so that's why I said I would like to see integers. Okay, and see, your teacher has wanted this coefficient to be positive, so that's fine. I will go with it. You know why? Because they don't want to start with a negative. I am fine, meaning -1 is an integer, right? So you see, some of us are very specific about some rules with this standard form. Standard form definitely requires all to be integers, okay? But if your teacher says, hey, I want a positive, I can check on that, but that's not a rule. As much as I know standard form, I'll check on that. I don't want to say anything wrong. Hold on. Standard form of line equation, they have to be integers. But see, but I don't want to say, hey, don't go by your teacher. Whatever your teacher wants, you should be able to produce it. I think it is more of a convention. If she wants a positive coefficient for x, means she doesn't want to see it starting with a negative, minus 2 x plus y equal. Let me check on that, guys. However, there's a lot of controversy on the rules that you need for standard form equations, though. See, standard form, it doesn't say. ABC. See, A and B both cannot be 0. That is true. A and B both cannot be 0. And sometimes they don't even say integers. I called it out extra. I didn't want to see fractions, but some of the websites definitely say that they need standard form. See here. This is what is about standard form. Okay, but if your teacher says, I don't want to see negative coefficients, I would want to go by that. Okay, let's go by that. Let's put a nice, here, Srinita brought up a point where the teacher says she wants the equation to start with positive. If you want the equation to start with positive, multiply entirely by -1 means all the terms negate. Minus x becomes x, plus y becomes multiply by -1 on both sides. That's all. Does it make sense? I just wanted ABC to be integers. See, again, now this becomes negative, right? So it just depends. So if they give you that, please go with it. Okay. So see, these are integers. They should be integers, but some websites do not list that as a rule as well. Okay, let's go ahead with this. Point slope form of a line. Point slope form of a line is this. Okay, can you write it in standard form? Write in standard form. I really appreciate you guys. Okay, 1 hour, 30 minutes I extended, okay, just to make it up. And I want one more class like this. I'll let you know, guys. Rania. Equation of a line means whoever it is, okay? You cannot have it like this. What does it mean? This does not mean anything, right? I really need to see some x plus y equal to 3 or 2x minus 3y equal to 4, something like this with x and y. That's the standard form. Prishit, I appreciate all the steps. Good job. That's correct. Akshada, the standard form requires you to write it in the format no fractions I told you for A, B, C. Your equation is right, but it is not in the format. Srinita, same thing. Your equations are all right, but you cannot have integers. If you have that denominator, right, which is obstructing you, multiply by that number throughout. If one side has 2, the other side has 3, right? Multiply by 2, multiply by 6. 2 times you multiply, you will get proper answers. Adira, correct ma. Srinita and Dhruv, I'm expecting you will send back the answers. Rania, you will also correct it and send it back is what I am thinking. Rania, the C value is incorrect ma for you. I feel like the C value is incorrect. Adira, correct. Akshada, if your teacher says you see X should come first ma, and they didn't want a negative value on X, remember we discussed that, right? But I will accept your answer for that matter. But they wanted X and Y in order and X not to have a negative value, then you should go by that. Vinisha, half is a fraction. 1.5 and all you can't have is a decimal. Your answer is right, but the problem is standard form requires some crazy rules. A should be integer, B should be integer. Then what do? You know, denominator 2 is there, right? Multiply entirely by 2. It becomes 2y, it becomes x, it becomes 3. You get it, Vinisha?
Kind of.
Kind of, okay, I will do it on the board. No problem, I'll do it on the board. See here, what I'm saying is, see this half is outside, right? So multiply entirely by 2. Put this. Now this and this cancels. 2 in the numerator, 2 in the denominator. So it becomes x minus 1 equal to 2y minus 4. Now, I want x and y to be on one side. So minus 2y minus 2y, I will write x minus 2y minus 1 equal to minus 4. Plus 1 becomes x minus 2y equal to minus 3. That's all. Vinisha, am I clear?
Yeah.
Am I clear? Akshada, did you get it?
Yeah.
Okay. So I am thinking we have done point slope form, we have done standard form, we have done parallel perpendicular lines as well. It's a lot on you guys. However, I want to do 1 or 2 word problems. Okay. When I give you word problems, right, your intent from that word problem is to find out the slope and the intercept. If you want the line equation to be in slope intercept form, you have to find the slope and the intercept. If they ask you for the line equation in point slope form, you should find 2 slope and 2 points or 1 point. So that's all. Okay. When you're given a verbal, when you're given a word problem, so only your target should be only that. Okay. If you do that, then word problems are just very easy. Okay. Let's see this one. You know what? Different forms of line equations, but did I do word problems? Okay, let me ask you one last question. Okay, let me ask you this. How about this? The standard form of a line is this. Standard form of a line is this. Standard form. Okay. Can you write it in slope intercept form? This one I never dealt with. It's pretty easy. It's just solving for literals.
Miss
So, yeah, ma?
in the what? Yeah, there's an X.
Sorry. Thank you. This is the equation in standard form. Can you convert it to slope intercept form? It's just solving for literal size. No, not much at all about this. If you don't know, don't worry about it, just ask.
Miss Priya, I'm really lost.
You're really lost. Okay. Okay, you're really lost. Okay. Slope intercept form needs you to write the equation in which format, Nabiha. They're asking for the slope intercept form. Immediately I will write this. So my equation has to follow this format. Y should be on one side, X and the constant on the other side. Can you change this? I'm asking. Am I making sense? From this equation, can you solve for Y variable? Solve for Y variable, that's all. We learned, right? Solving for Y literal.
Miss Priya, is my answer right?
I'll check, Amma. Nabiha, are you getting it, Nabiha?
Yeah, but can you solve this one for me so I have an example?
No problem. Okay. So I have to have Y on this side, right? What can I do? 3x minus 2y equal to 7. Now let me remove the x from this side. I get minus 2y equal to 7 minus 3x. Now I want only y. So divide by minus 2, divide by minus 2. That gives you y equal to 7 minus 3x by minus 2. But the problem is, this is common to both. You see? So this becomes 7 by minus 2 plus 3 by 2x. I will rewrite this format as y equal to 3 by 2x minus 7 by 2, which comes up to this format. Do you see, Nabiha?
Is it okay if you change?
Yeah, I think I get it.
Is it okay if you?
Change the fractions to a decimal.
Yeah, that's alright.
Yes and no. Yes, it's okay. They cannot penalize you. I will not penalize you as a teacher, okay? I know 7 by 2 is 3.5. I will not penalize you. Okay, but I prefer either all decimals or all fractions. That is the only request. Does it make sense, Yojit? 3 by 2x
Yeah.
minus 3.5, I don't want to see. Whereas, I am okay with seeing 1.5x minus 3.5 or 3 by 2x minus 7 by 2.
Okay.
Can we move on? Now, see, the word problem, I really want to give 1. Once you know 1, then you can solve anything. Okay. Word problems are easy, provided you quickly understand how to do them. Okay, how about this? Not a hard one, guys, okay? Think of it, see, if you're asked for the equation in point slope form, you have to get the point and slope from the equation. If you're asked in slope intercept form, find the slope and the intercept from the verbal description given, okay? So how about this? Sometimes the slope is negative. If it is decreasing or reducing, the slope is negative. You have to think about it, okay? Verbal problems, that only tricks you. How about this? Marty is spending money. Is spending money. So money is declining. So let's write out what are the x and y values. Draw for everything. Marty is spending money. So some money she had. She goes on spending money. It goes on becoming less. Money on this side, days on this side. So x value is your day, y value is the money. After 14 days, what happens? She has 68 money. So that's a point on the line, right? 14, 60 is a point on the line. And the slope is given. Slope is what is that? Slope is change in y by change in x, right? 3 per day means what? $3 per day. Change in y by change in x. So slope is what here? Can one of you tell me?
3.
3 or minus 3?
Minus 3.
Minus 3. That's what was important. And a point on the line was what? 14, 60. Yeah, go ahead. How to find the equation of this line? In slope-intercept form. Can I do it for you?
No.
Y will be equal to minus 3x plus b. You have a point. 60 AD minus 3 times 14 plus b. B will be equal to 110. Now, putting it back, y will be equal to minus 3. Clear, guys? Clear? Yeah. Brooker. So, guys, I gave you an insight of what a word problem can be, how to extract slope, point, and intercept. Can one of you remind me next week? I want to do 1 or 2 word problem in point slope form. Okay. It's not a lot remaining. Since we covered parallel perpendicular lines, I could not finish this. Okay. But next week I have one more half an hour makeup, right? Meaning I really want to be on par with the other class as well. So I'll be able to complete it. But this week I'll give you homework only on the 3 types of equations. Okay, the 3 types of equations. Sometimes some word problems is given. If you don't know, come back. And there'll be some problems on parallel perpendicular lines as well. Any questions for me? I really appreciate you guys having patience to make it up. Thanks. If you have questions, stay. If you don't have questions, log off. Have a nice day, guys.
Thanks, Priya.
Bye, Miss Priya.
Bye, Miss Priya.